Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you fix PayPal's no internet connection error. First, let's start with some basic checks. Make sure your device is actually connected to the internet, whether through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Sometimes, simply toggling between these can resolve the issue. A quick restart of your router or modem can also refresh your network. Finally, confirm your device's date and time are set to update automatically, as incorrect settings can sometimes cause connectivity problems. Next, let's focus on the PayPal app and your device itself. A common fix is to clear the app's cache and data through your device settings. This can often resolve minor software conflicts. Always ensure your PayPal app is updated to its newest version, as updates frequently include bug fixes. Don't forget the classic troubleshooting step, restarting your smartphone or tablet. Also, check if your device's operating system has any pending updates that might be affecting app performance. Now, let's consider your network and security settings. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try temporarily disabling it, as these can sometimes interfere with app connections. It's also wise to check your firewall settings to make sure PayPal isn't being inadvertently blocked. As a more advanced step, you could reset your device's network settings, which can clear up deeper connectivity issues. Finally, try connecting to PayPal using a completely different network, perhaps a friend's Wi-Fi, to see if the problem is specific to your home network. If the problem persists, we move to more advanced steps. Consider completely uninstalling and then reinstalling the PayPal app. This ensures a fresh installation. To determine if the issue is with your device or the app itself, try accessing PayPal on a different smartphone or tablet. If all else fails, it's time to reach out to PayPal's customer support. Provide them with as much detail as possible about the steps you've already taken and the error message you're receiving for the best assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.